This is a great case of a patient who really didn't want to undergo surgery. We focused on options for non-surgical treatment, laser treatment to minimize the fine lines and the deep lines around her mouth and around her eyes. Deep erbium laser is the only option in this type of case. It can shrink skin around the eyes, and it's the only thing that can remove the deep lines of the upper lip. It does take a little recovery time, 1 to 2 weeks before you're in makeup, but the results are well worth it.
Came in for the erbium and I was scared. Dr. Holley made me feel at ease. I think the hardest part was the needles. With the care that they told me to do and to use, I followed everything that they said and I loved my results. On a scale 0 to 10, I would say it was probably an 8. For pain, but within a day or two, I'm max 3. You don't really feel the pain. You just do what they ask you to do and it works. I'd recommend it to anyone. It's life-changing. I would do it again. I had the most wonderful experience here with Dr. Holley and his staff. I did this erbium because I didn't want to go into the hospital and go under anesthesia. I did not want to have a scalpel. Dr. Holley mentioned this to me during my appointment. I said, let's try it. Turned out wonderful. My results are phenomenal. It transformed my life. People were asking me, oh my God, what'd you do? You look wonderful. I reversed my age and I feel amazing and I would recommend it to anybody.